How to get started with EndNote Web. To access EndNote Web from the Waters Library homepage, select the Database tab in the middle of the screen. In the search box, type in EndNote Web and click Search or hit the Enter key. From here, you will see EndNote Web listed. Clicking on it will take you to the Citation Manager, where you will need to sign in or register if you have not done so already. Collecting references. To collect references, you have two main options: add manually or import them. We will start with adding them manually. To collect a reference manually, hover over the word Collect in the top navigation bar, then select New Reference. From this screen, you will see a list of reference information fields, such as author, title, year, and so on, with a text box beside them. Here you will need to input information in the appropriate box. It is suggested to input as much information as you are able to in order to have a complete citation. The second option is to import them. Once again, hover over the word Collect in the navigation bar. This time, select Import References. From here, you will click Choose File, locate and select the file that you wish to import. Next, in Import Options, choose the option that matches the file that you have chosen to import. This usually is a refman file. Next, you'll choose the group in which you wish the file to go to. In the To drop-down section, choose the group. If you've not created a group, you can select Unfiled or New Group to make a group now. Next, hit Import. To view the reference, click on My References, and it will be the top option. Or you can select the group in which you added it to.